Hey there everyone, this is Chris from the Tech Basement coming to you once again from the basement, and here we go with the ITX build.
Switches on, powered up. Don't forget that you're the reason I'm alive. I'm the one you designed. I'm connected, but I'm not really online. What am I? Where am I? Why you acting like I'm not really alive? Switches on, switches on, switches on. I just want you to like me, 'cause we are nothing, nothing but energy. Reason I'm alive. What am I? Where am I? Don't forget that you're the reason I'm alive. What am I? Where am I? Ghost in the machine, waiting on a demon to make me more than you designed. My thoughts keep racing, I'm running out of patience. Isn't my desire? Am I losing my mind? I just want you to like me, 'cause we are nothing, nothing but energy. I just want you to like me, 'cause we are nothing, nothing but energy. Reason I'm alive.
There you go everyone, that is the B-roll for the Mini ITX Black and Blue. Yes, it is alive. As you can see behind me, CTR is running and it is doing its job pretty well actually. We are hopefully going to be done within the next 5 hours. Not just kidding. It shouldn't take nearly that long, maybe 45 minutes to an hour. So that will be finished. I'll see how things are going there, but I will not be putting any videos out about the performance or tweaking on that or anything else, because I'm going to have to ship this thing up in about a week and send it off to where I'm going to be going to California. I am not going to disclose my location quite yet, but I will definitely be moving out there. And no, it's not going to be, oh my goodness, for this YouTube channel. My wife just got a good job out there, and it's worth taking the leap to go out there. So we're gonna have fun doing that. A lot of hiking out there, things like that. Maybe I'll start a second channel or just add a little area to this particular channel about hiking. So there you go. There's the news for the channel. Mini ITX build. It is built. I will put out a performance video on what CTR did for it. Good, bad, indifferent, that type of thing. What I usually do. And I'm also going to keep on streaming. But keep this in mind. The next 4 weeks, I will not be doing any of those videos. I will not be streaming, and I will not be putting up a performance video. I may take my phone and do a little stream that way, but who knows. But I just may do that to keep in touch. So if you have any questions, comments, put them down below in the comment section. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you are notified if I do put something up. And this is Chris saying out.